for Kuna's Horizon. Today I am going to teach you about something about trigonometry. So all of you view the channel, comment on the channel and subscribe it. Your comments are very valuable and we will improve our channel more and more according to your comments. So never break the chain of the subscription, view or the comments. Your comments will make us perfect and make you know more and more. So now I am going to start what is trigonometry. So trigonometry is the ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle with respect to its acute angle is called trigonometry, which is also called T ratio, means trigonometric ratio. In trigonometry we will study about 6 ratios, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So this is a right angle triangle ABC. Now let us ABC is a triangle, right angle at B, and if C is theta, then A is equal to 90 minus theta. So sin theta is equal to P by H. P by H, sin P by H, that means side opposite to angle C by hypotenuse. So side opposite to angle C is AB. AB by AC. Similarly, cos theta is B by H, side opposite adjacent to C, BC by AC, and that is known as B by H, side adjacent to angle C by hypotenuse. Similarly, next one is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to P by B, side opposite to angle C, AB by E, side adjacent to angle C, that is BC. So tan theta is equal to P by B, that is AB by BC. Now I am writing about cosec theta. What is cosec theta? Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Sin theta is equal to H by P. And sin theta is equal to P by H. So 1 by sin theta is equal to H by P. That is hypotenuse by side opposite to angle C. Side opposite to angle C, that is equal to AC by AB. Similarly, cosec theta, after cosec theta, that is sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta, that is equal to B by H. That is equal to B by H, and that is equal to side at hypotenuse 1 by cosec theta, that is equal to H by B. H by B. H by B. H by B. So this is equal to hypotenuse by H by B, that is equal to B is equal to side adjacent to C. Side adjacent to C, that is equal to AC by BC, that is equal to AC by BC. So this is sec theta. Then cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta, that is equal to B by P. So B by P is equal to BC by AB. BC by AB. And this is equal to side adjacent to C, side adjacent to to angle C, side adjacent to angle C by side opposite to angle C, side opposite to angle C, and that is equal to, again I am telling you, that is equal to BC by AB. BC by AB. Remember, always remember, the side opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse, and the side adjacent to, which is included in theta, that is the arm of the angle theta, BC, is known as the adjacent side, and the side opposite means the front side. The front side is known as AB. So these are all the ratios of this of the 6 formulas for the 6 ratios in trigonometry. Now I am going to tell you a very valuable trick to remember this all. Very valuable trick to remember this all. That is a simple quotation, a simple single line quotation, which will help you to remember these formulas. The trick is, some people have curly black hair, tightened perfectly backwards, So see here, S for sine, and P for people, and H for half, sine theta. Then cos theta, C for cos, then B cos theta is equal to B for black, and again H for hypotenuse. Then tan theta. The tan theta is equal to tighten. What is tighten? T for tan theta, P for perfectly, and B for base. Now the formula is something like this way. Some people have curly black hair, tightened perfectly backwards. So sine theta, S for sine, P for people, and H for half. Now the formula is sine theta is equal to P by H. Then cos theta, C for cos theta, and curly, C for cos theta, B for base, H for hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to B by H. Tightened, T, tan theta, for P for perfectly, B for backward. So tan theta is equal to P by B. So the reciprocals of sine, cos and tan will give you the formulas for cosec, sec and cot. So next we will move to another formula. So think, if this one is the sine theta. So remember one thing, sine theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H, tan theta is equal to P by B. Now the next one is number 3. Number 3 is always remember number 3, in an isosceles triangle ABC right angled at B, the trigonometric ratios obtained by taking in either A or either C both give the same value. in an isosceles right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, if the trigonometric ratios obtained by taking either A or either C both give the same ratio. The second point, remember these points. The second point is the value of each of the trigonometric ratio of an angle does not depend on the size of the triangle. It only depends on the angles. Again I am repeating you, the value of each of the trigonometric ratio of an angle does not depend on the size of the triangle. It only depends on the angles. The third point, it is clear that the values of the trigonometric ratio of an angle do not vary with the lengths of the sides of the triangle if the angle remains the same, because it is only purely a ratio, and the ratios are constant for whatever may be the side for a certain angle. If the angle differs, then only the value ratios will differ. The fourth point, if one of the trigonometric ratio of an acute angle is known, then the remaining trigonometric ratios of the angle can be determined easily. If one of the trigonometric ratio is known, by finding out the ratio of the third side, then going for the when you have found out the trigonometric the side of the third side, then by the process of Pythagoras theorem, then you can find out the other 6 sides, 6 ratios. So now again I am repeating you, if one of the trigonometric ratio of an acute angle is known, then the remaining trigonometric ratios of that angle can be determined easily, because 2 ratios means 2 sides of the triangle you have got. By Pythagoras theorem you can find out the third side, and after finding out the third side you have got the 3 sides of the trigonometric of the right angle triangle. Then you can find out the other ratios of the trigonometry. Each trigonometry ratio is a real number and has no unit. Always remember, each trigonometric ratio is a real number and has no unit. As the hypotenuse is the longest side in a right angle triangle, the value of sin A cos A is always less than 1, and for the value of is always less than 1, whereas the value of sec A and cosec A is always greater than 1, and so next, the fourth ratio fourth formulas which I have given you in the board previously, that is sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A. Cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. Now 4. Sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. So then similarly, number 1, number 2, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Then number 3, sec theta, cos A, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Then number 4, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Then number 5, that is tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, and that is also equal to sin theta by cos theta. Then number 6 is cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, and that is equal to cos theta cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta. Then the next one is, these are the some of the formulas. Then number 5, fifth formula. Then number 5 formula. 5. Values of trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. Values for some specific values of trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. For specific angles. Here I am writing you angles. Then 30 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. So for sin theta angles, sin theta, cos theta. For sin theta first I am writing you, so I am left the 0 degree here. So sin 0 is equal to always 0. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So sin 90 is equal to 1. Sin 90 is equal to 1. Then cos theta. This is sin theta. Then cos theta. Sin 0 is equal to 1. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by root. Sin 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Then sin again I am telling you that sin angles is equal to, these are the angles. Sin 0 is equal to 0. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is equal to 1. Then cos 0 is equal to 1. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is equal to cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Then cos 90 is equal to 0. Then the next one. So now tan theta. Tan 0 is equal to 0. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Then tan 60 is equal to only root 3, and then tan 90 is not defined. Is not defined. Then after tan comes cosec theta. Cosec theta. Cosec theta. Cos 0 is not defined. Then cos 30 is equal to 2. Cos 45 is equal to root 2. Then as cosec 30 is equal, cosec 0 is equal to not defined. Cosec 30 is equal to 2. Cosec 45 is equal to root 2. Then cosec 60 is equal to root 3, and then cosec 90 is equal to 1. Then after cosec, this is sec theta. Sec 0 is equal to 1. Sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. Sec 45 is equal to root 2. Then sec 60 is equal to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. And then sec 90 is not defined. Is not defined. This is sec. Then tan, cosec, sec. Then cot theta. Cot theta, cot 0 not defined. Cot 0 not defined. Cot 30 is root 3. Cot 45 1. Cot 45 1. Cot 60 1 by root 3. Then and cot 90 is 0. So remember, again I am describing the formulas. So see here, values of the trigonometric ratio for some specific angles. Angles when are 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So sin 0 is equal to 0, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, sin 90 is equal to 1. Cos 0 is equal to 1, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 90 is equal to 0. Tan 0 is equal to 0, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, tan 45 is equal to root 2, tan 45 is equal to 1, tan 60 is equal to root 3, tan 90 is not defined. Similarly, cosec 0 is not defined, cosec 30 root 2, cosec 45, cosec 30 2, cosec 45 root 2, cosec 60 root 3, cosec 90 is equal to 1. Similarly, sec 0 is equal to 1, sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3, sec 45 is equal to root 2, sec 60 is equal to 2 by root 3, sec 90 is equal to not defined. Similarly, cot theta, cot 0 is equal to not defined, cot 30 root 3, cot 45 1, cot 60 1 by root 3, then cot 90 0. So remember, the 0, 30, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree are the values of the theta. So to remember this one, you have a trick. See here, sin theta is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Similarly, if cos theta, the whatever may be the value of sin theta, that is the value of cos 90. Whatever may be the value of sin 30, that is the value of cos 60. And whatever may be the value of 45, so we will get cos 45 also the same thing. So the value of sin theta, if you go reverse way, the value of 0, 30, the value of the theta in case of the sine is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. whatever may be the values, say the value of cos theta, if theta is taken as 90, 60, 45, 30 and 0, we will come backward, the values will remain same. So sin theta, just learn the sin theta, then go for the cos theta from that one, and then after getting the sin theta and cos theta, you can get the values of tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, and then cos theta 1 by sin theta, sec theta 1 by cos theta, cot theta cos theta by sin theta. This way you can learn easily and remember the values of this trigonometric ratio easily. Just remember the sin theta and then go reverse way for the cos theta. Then after getting the sin theta and cos theta, go for the other trigonometric ratios. So next one which I am going to tell you is the value of the theta, the value of sin theta increases from 0 to 1, but and cos theta decreases from 1 to 0. Where 0 is the smallest angle and 90 degree is the angle the most which is given in the table. In case of the tan theta, the values increases from 0 to infinity, where theta is greater than 0 and smaller than 90 degree. Again I am telling you the values of sin theta from 0 to 1 and cos theta, the values of sin theta increases from 0 to 1 and the cos theta decreases from 1 to 0, where theta is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. Similarly, in the cos theta, in case of the tan theta, the values increases from 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity, where theta is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. Similarly, in case of the cot theta, the values decreases from theta to 0 degree. Value decreases from infinity to 0 degree, where theta is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. Similarly, in case of cosec theta, the values decreases from infinity to 1, where theta is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. Similarly, in case of sec theta, the values increases from 1 to infinity, where that is the where theta is always greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. Similarly, if division by 0 is not allowed, since 1 by 0 is an indeterminate place, so they are not defined. I have given in the board that what is not defined, and all the not defined numbers values are, that is theta 1 by 0. The value not defined means the value is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined, so it is written as not defined, or you can write infinite. Then the next formula is number 5. Fifth formula is that sin 90 minus a, sin 90 minus a is equal to cos a. Sin 90 minus a is equal to cos a. Similarly, number 2, cos 90 minus a is equal to sin a. Similarly, number 3, tan 90 minus a, 90 minus, don't write a, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Number 4, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Then number 5, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Then number 6, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. So these are the formulas for trigonometries, and then we will go for some of the formulas for identities. Formulas for identities. Formulas for identities. That is, number 1 is number 6, bit 1. Bit 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Then the next one, number 2, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, or sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, or tan square theta is equal to 1 is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Then number 3, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, or cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Then, or cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So these are the formulas for the proving some identities. So these are the formulas for proving some identities, proving the identities. So I think this trigonometric ratios, trigonometric ratio and trigonometric identities formulas will help you very much for the upcoming railway exams and the various classes ICSE and CBSE classes till 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wherever trigonometry is needed, these formulas will be very much helpful. So go through these formulas. If you have any doubts, go for the doubt clearing classes. You can call 9237003243 for any doubts. And our classes goes from class 1 to class 10 and class 1 to class 10. You can any class, any doubts, call me this one. I will be there to clear your doubts. So, and the railway persons, those who are the candidates who are appearing for the railway exams, go through these formulas. You will be very much helpful for your exams. So go through it, view the all the formulas from starting till ending, and comment on the comment box, and subscribe it. Never forget to subscribe the channel, because your subscription will bring the chain, make the chain larger and larger, and your comments will make us very much effectful for you, and we will go on rectifying all the mistakes according to your comments. Without comments we cannot find out our mistakes, and I tell you that you should comment the correct way, in a correct way, in an efficiency way, so that our channel will give you the maximum potential for you, but above all, never forget to break the chain of subscription. Go on subscribing, and you will get the maximum to maximum in this channel, in Kuna's Horizon by Kuna.